MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this stock trading space that has done 40,000 videos. It has proof of everything. So I've seen what's making me money, what's not, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. Ultimately, looking at MLGO, it is like one heck of I'm not trying to be nice, trying to be kind, and this is just a bearish market for me. I mean, yeah, previously I just took a bunch of freaking longs here, and that's like plus 7R, which was nice. But then looking back into the current freaking idea that we have, it's like 17% down, and I said that if I see a double break, I'm looking to take it further down. Guess what? This is a risk-free opportunity now. It's risk-free in terms of definitely I'm willing to take it even further down, but randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for my rules to be met. I mean, it's a guaranteed plus 0R, right? So with 3 dots, because it's just that, you know, nothing else happened. So I have previous receipts in my Discord about MLGO, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.